Nothing in life is for free. This is something that we are told from the time we are practically born. आपको कुछ चाहिए तो मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. फोकट में कुछ नहीं मिलता, फ्री कुछ नहीं होता. Now, this one statement is embedded in our subconscious like crazy. We grow up believing this one statement. So this one statement actually hampers our solar sales. When you are trying to sell to a solar customer their solar system, we generally use, sir, आपको 25 साल के लिए free electricity मिलेगी. And knowingly or unknowingly, we are actually, killing our own sale, because everybody in India or most of the world believes there are no freebies available. Freebies are not. There is something that you have to pay for everything. So, when you go ahead and tell this to your customer, 25 साल के लिए free बिजली मिलेगी, they actually get kind of off on it. They might not show it, you might not realize it, but it really happens. So, don't use the statement, आपकी बिजली free है. You get free electricity for 25 years, 30 years or 20 years or something like that. Instead, convert this statement into a part of an investment. Ask your customer, sir, have you invested in fixed deposits, or do you have a life insurance or something like that? Now, that is something people relate to. FD is something people relate to. So you put in money into the bank and after a few years, you get some more back. People who invest in shares, sir, आपने investment किया है क्या? Have you invested? Now, when you relate solar to an investment rather than free electricity, it makes more sense to the subconscious mind. It is more acceptable. People are more confident about it. They don't find it shady. Work from home and get 50,000 a month. You find it shady, simple. This is the same thing that happens when you say to your customer, sir, 20 साल के लिए free electricity है, 20 years free electricity, so it is shady. So, this is how you approach. Sir, do you make any investment? Have you invested in share market, or do you have a savings bank account, or do you have a fixed deposit? Most probably the customer will say yes. So solar is exactly like that. It is an investment. Let's consider a 5 kilowatt system, which will cost you anywhere between 2 lakh to 2 lakh 50,000, and on return in about 25 years, it gives you a return of 18 to 22 lakhs. Now, suddenly the brain computes, I am investing and I am getting back. This is a legitimate transaction. I am investing and then I'm saying that you are getting free electricity. That is not legitimate transaction for the brain, so for the subconscious. So, avoid using the statement, electricity is free for 25 years whenever you try to sell to a customer. This is something that is killing it. More than 93% of the sales, people use this statement and then it goes kaput. आपकी sale convert नहीं होती है, you get frustrated, irritated, and this is one of the reasons. This is not the only reason. Please keep that in mind. This is not the only reason, but this is something that plays into your sale not converting. So in order to convert your sale, this is one tip that you can do with your customers to make sure that they understand solar properly. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time with a nice and cool new solar tip to help you grow in sales. My name is Amit and you're watching